Hi, this is Maureen with Moose Training. I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut in Google Chrome. This will allow you to access those websites and programs that you use frequently with just a click of a button. We're ready to start creating our Google Chrome shortcut. The first thing that I do is go to my taskbar and click on the Google Chrome desktop icon in order to launch the website browser. So here we are in Google Chrome's home page, and you can see by looking at my home page that I have already created a series of shortcuts for sites that I visit frequently in my day-to-day work. So your screen is going to look slightly different because you may not have all these shortcuts already established. On my screen, the Add a Shortcut is in the second row on the far right-hand side, and you just see that little plus button, and that's what we're going to click to begin the work of that shortcut. However, before I do that, I'm going to open up another window in my browser, and I'm going to actually go to the site for which I want to create that shortcut. In my case, I want to create a shortcut for QuickBooks Online. So to do so, I'm just going to type in the address so that I can copy and paste it and ensure that it's accurate in my shortcut. So I'm going to enter qbo.intuit.com and hit return. And sure enough, it brings me right to that sign-on screen, which is exactly what I want. So in order to copy and paste that website address, I'm going to go up here in this box where we entered our address. I'm going to click and hold my left button of my mouse down and highlight all of that address. Once it's highlighted, I'm going to hit Control and C at the same time, and that copies that address for me. Now I'm going to hop back over to this new tab so that I can get back to that Google Chrome homepage and begin the work of adding that shortcut. So as I mentioned before, we're going to click on the plus sign to add the shortcut. Once we're in this box, it's asking us for a name. So you're just going to put in something that's familiar to you that is going to remind you of the website. In my case, I'm going to use the abbreviation QBO for QuickBooks Online. Once I'm happy with my name, I just hit Tab, and it takes me to this URL field. And URL is just where you're going to enter that web address. Remember, we copied and pasted it in order to ensure that it's accurate. So in order to paste it now, we're actually going to hit Control and V. That's the shortcut of keys that you can use to paste something. So I hit Control V at the same time. And there is that website address. Now I'm going to click on Done, and there's our newly created shortcut. I'm going to click on it just to make sure that it works as it should. Excellent, there we go. It brought me right to that QuickBooks Online sign-in. So it's as simple as that. Good luck in creating your next Google Chrome shortcut.